how to enable or disable the Google Play Store on Android. First, I'm quickly going to show you how you most likely accidentally or deliberately disabled your Google Play Store on your Android device. I'm first going to locate the Google Play Store on my Android device. As you can see, it's on my home screen. I'm going to long press on it, and then I'm going to tap on App Info. And then to disable the Google Play Store, just simply tap on Disable. You'll then get this warning message. If you disable this app, Android and other apps may no longer function as intended. Keep that in mind that you can't delete this app since it came pre-installed on your device. By disabling, you'll turn this app off and hide it on your device. So to disable it, just simply tap on Disable App. Okay, now the Google Play Store is disabled. If I swipe up from the very bottom, you can see it's gone from my home screen. And if I slide up to see my apps tray and scroll through my apps tray, you can see it's no longer there. So I'm just going to swipe up just to go back to my home screen. So now how do we go about enabling the Google Play Store on our Android device? First, open up the Settings app. The Settings app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it. Once you've done that, tap on Apps. At the top, if you've recently opened any apps, you'll see all the recently opened ones. However, what we're looking for is to see all apps, so tap on See All Apps. At the top of all apps, to the right hand side, there's a search function displayed by a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it and then type Google Play Store. Once you've typed in Google Play Store, you should see it. So you can see the size of the app. At the time of recording of this video, it's 211 megabytes and it's currently disabled. Tap on it and then tap on Enable. The Google Play Store is now enabled on your device. To open it, just tap on the Open icon at the top right hand corner. And there we go. The Google Play Store is now enabled on our Android device and it's open. I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my home screen. If you want to add the Google Play Store icon back on your home screen, go back to your apps tray and locate the Play Store. So the Play Store is right here. I'm going to long press on it and then I'm going to drag it onto my favorite place on my Android home screen. Okay, so that pretty much concludes this short video on how to enable or disable the Google Play Store on Android. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to support me and my channel, consider subscribing and I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let